Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today I have a delicious tea cocktail for you. If you know anything about me, you should know that I absolutely love tea. I recently bought a jar of Korean citron tea to try, and yes, I know it's not exactly tea. If I were to describe it, it would basically be like a sweet citrus jam that you can drink if you mix it with hot water or cold water. I saw someone mix this with Earl Grey tea, and Earl Grey tea is my absolute favorite, so I knew I had to try this out. I really like this combination, and then I thought, why not take this a step further and turn it into a cocktail? So today's potion is called Citrus Grey, and this is a tasty twist on the classic gin and tonic. I made this cocktail for my family to try, and they usually don't like the things that I make, but they actually like this one. So this is a truly magical cocktail, to me at least. So without further ado, let's craft the Citrus Grey. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 1 ounce of citron tea, 1.5 ounces of gin, 4 ounces of chilled, strong brewed cream of Earl Grey tea, 6 ounces of tonic water, and a lemon slice for garnish. So first, grab a gin and tonic glass. Add in your citron tea, gin, and Earl Grey tea. Stir it all together and fill the glass with ice. Pour in your tonic water and lastly, garnish with a lemon slice. And ta-da! Citrus Grey is complete! Taste test time! This is one hefty drink. Alright, let's see if this one turned out well. Cheers! I love this one. I can probably drink this all the time. I love the sweet citrus flavor of this drink. There's citrus in everything really. There's citrus in the citrus tea. There's citrus in the Earl Grey from the bergamot. There's also citrus in the tonic water. So everything works very well together because it's basically all citrus. You would think that this drink would be sour, but it's not sour at all. It's mostly sweet with a hint of bitterness from the tea and the citrus peel. But it's not like a lot of bitterness or anything like that. It's mostly still sweet. I think if anything, the bitterness helps balance it out just a little bit, so it's not just sugar water. I chose to use a cream of Earl Grey tea because I like the vanilla notes in it, but it's not necessary. If you only have plain Earl Grey, then that is fine as well. So when I was making the Earl Grey tea, I actually used double the amount of tea leaves compared to the water. And that's just so that you get a lot more of the Earl Grey flavor. Without it, you would still taste it, but it's mostly covered up by the citron tea. So if you like the flavor of Earl Grey, which I do, then make sure you do double up on the tea leaves or even tea bags if you're using those instead. This drink is perfect for warm weather though. It's refreshing and bubbly. But yeah, if you want to make a hot version of this drink, you definitely can. Just omit the ice and the tonic water and it's still good. It's still a very citrusy Earl Grey tea with a bit of gin in it. I especially like this drink because it's so easy to make. All of these ingredients are pretty accessible, so you can pretty much throw this together whenever you want. It's a perfect cocktail for lazy drinkers, so no excuse not to try this one. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and please let me know how you like to enjoy your citron tea. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below, and like and subscribe for some more awesome potions. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!